Hey there, welcome to day 10 of 100 Days of Code. And today we're going to learn about functions with outputs. Previously, we've already seen the other two flavors of functions, a plain function and also functions with inputs. But in today's lessons, we're going to be using the skills that we've learned, and we're going to be extending our knowledge of functions to build a calculator app. I think at some point in every programmer's lives, they will have built a calculator app. So if that hasn't already happened to you, then today is your lucky day, because that's exactly what we're going to be making. So it's a simple text-based calculator, and we can start off by writing a number and then picking one of the operations: plus, minus, multiply, or divide. So I'm going to divide this by 2, and then it shows us the full calculation: 5 divided by 2 equals 2.5. And now we can continue calculating with the answer from the previous step, or we can type n to start a new calculation. Let me type y, and maybe I'll do 2.5 plus 6, and now I get 8.5. By the end of the lessons today, you'll have understood how functions really work, how you can use them to reduce redundant code, and how you can provide inputs to functions as well as providing outputs. Once you're ready, head over to the next lesson and let's get started.